How to clear caches on CapCut on your laptop or personal computer, as you may call it. A lot of users have been clearing cache on CapCut the wrong way. That is why their CapCut app always lagging when they try to edit on this platform. So in this video, I will guide you through the processes on how to clear the caches. The second process is the best way to clear caches on a laptop that make your computer run smoothly when you use CapCut on your device. So open CapCut like this on your device, click on the settings icon here, click on settings. When you click on settings, it brings to this interface. Then you see caches here, and you see that they have about 1.9 caches to clean here for this device to run smoothly. Then you see this button that says don't delete. If yours is on don't delete, click on check it and click it also delete. Then select 15 days from here, which is the least one. Now let's clear the caches of 1.94 gig. Click on this button, then click on OK. Just wait a few seconds for this to be taken away from your device. Meanwhile, while this is taken away, you still have a lot of stored video on your device. Now you can see that we have less than 500 megabytes here. Now click on this button to save. You've done saving this. Now what if I tell you that you've not cleared the caches completely on your device? To do so is very simple. Right click on the window button here, then click on run. It brings it out like this. Then go ahead and type in percentage local app data percentage, then hit enter button, or you click on the OK. It brings to this interface. Now go ahead and click on CapCut here. Click on CapCut. Once you click on CapCut, you have these three options. Click on user data. Once you click on user data, then go ahead and click on caches, this one. When you click on cache, then scroll down until you get to smart crop. So locate and click on smart crop. Here is smart crop. Here is smart crop. Double click on the smart crop. Now here are the video you've been saving on your device, and here are the rich cache of your device. Now what you have to do is to Ctrl A to highlight everything, then tap on delete button. Now this has been taken away from this place. You've been able to clear caches perfectly on your CapCut on your device. Thereby the CapCut app will run smoothly, or the CapCut program will run smoothly on your laptop. If you enjoy what I've explained, if you don't subscribe, guys, please subscribe. It's free. It's 1 second. Thank you guys. See you soon on my next video.